Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you about the present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense and how we use the present continuous tense. So let's start our topic, the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. So the first I want to tell you the definition of present continuous tense. The definition is there. It we use for those action it used for those actions which will or which is continue at the time of speaking. It used for those actions. मीन वो काम के लिए हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो कंटिन्यू हो, जो जारी हो स्पीकिंग के दौरान, बोलने के दौरान, जो काम बोलने के दौरान जारी हो उसे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. That is called the present continuous tense. It used for those actions which is going on at the time of speaking, which is going on or which is continue at the time of speaking. That is called the present continuous tense. Those actions or it used for those actions which is going on at the time of speaking or which is continue at the time of speaking, that is called the present continuous tense. So the first is the positive formula. Helping verb will come at the first. Helping verb. What is the helping verb of present continuous tense? That is RM. RM is the helping verb of present continuous tense, and this helping verb will work in sentence. It helps the sentence. So the first positive formula is there. Positive formula, just in short form I will write here. Positive formula. What is the positive formula? Subject plus helping verb plus first form for with ing. First form for with ing plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus first form for with ing plus object plus full stop. How we'll use this formula? How we will make the example is this formula. Now example is there. She is driving a car. She is driving a car. Now the first subject is there, subject. Now then helping verb, first form for with ing. Article is there. Article we should write in every sentence, and object is there. Then full stop is there. Subject plus helping verb plus first form for with ing plus article. Here we should not put the article. Just in example we can write and plus object is there plus full stop. And the negative formula is there. What is the negative formula? Negative formula is there. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form for with ing plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form for plus first form for with ing plus object plus full stop. Now how we'll write the example of this. Example is there. The same example I want to write here. She is Now not. She is not. Subject plus helping verb plus not. She is not driving. She is not driving a car. She is not driving a car. It is the negative example. Now, subject plus helping verb. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form verb with ing plus object plus full stop. So this is the example of present, the present continuous tense. Examples are there, but it's the negative example of present continuous tense. Now the third is interrogative example. The interrogative formula is there at the first. Interrogative formula. What's the interrogative formula? Helping verb plus subject plus first form verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Helping verb plus subject plus first form verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Always remember that in interrogative formula, question mark is very necessary. Without question mark, it is wrong. This sentence is wrong. Now, example of interrogative example is there. Example is she driving? Is she driving car? Or is she driving a car? Is she driving a car? क्या वो गाड़ी चला रही है क्या? When the word क्या come in the first of sentence, that think that it is the interrogative example. It is the question sentence. Is she driving a car? क्या वो गाड़ी चला रही है? So then question mark is came. Before I told you, without question mark, the interrogative sentence is incompleted. It is wrong. Then the sentence is wrong. Now here, it is the interrogative sentence because of this. It is the formula of interrogative formula, and this is the negative sentence with negative formula, and it is the positive. It is the positive sentence with positive formula. Then it was the present continuous tense. If you people have any question regarding this tense, so I am ready to answer you. Tell me in comment box, and at the last, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.